Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today I wanted to talk about my reasoning and different tips that I've implemented while building my website that you can also apply to yours. So I'll just get right into it. This is our staging website. This is for where we make all of our pre-development, pre-production elements. We get to test it and see how it'll interact with the environment before we make any final decisions. It's good to have one of these. It's good to have your team set that up. Now I'll go to our production. We have this video here because the traditional landing pages that I was introduced growing up in the 2000s, they had when you're getting spammed a lot in emails, they'll have a video that'll explain what the product is. And that's what I implemented here. This is the real person, spokesperson. She was great, and she delivered a great product explanation. So here, this is the hero section. We went through a few iterations of the picture. You wanted to be able to explain what your product is, and of course these can be improved. Anything can be improved. So we kept it simple. So when you're making your hero page, you just want to say, a few line, how we approached it is we started with a question stating what is the problem? Are you starting school or facing workplace challenges? And then we go into what our product, how it can help. And then since we're in the age of AI, we say, we will never request money from you because, AI. This is something that I added because as we get further into artificial intelligence, sure, I could get spoofed, or, someone can pretend to be Pocketmate and ask for money. So through our official website, we just say, we won't even do that. This is our user app, which then again presents another question to gain interest. Are you worried about making friends at school or meeting high stakes professional goals? So you can tell this is about if you're at school or you're at work. We implemented a bunch of other features, such as we wanted to improve having as much within appropriate scope of download buttons. We put it on the hero page, we put it on the user page, and then we put it on the professional one. Same element. We say elevate your practice with Pocketmate OS. So with professionals and doctors, usually they're the ones in control. So we just give them on how we can help them. And we kept it simple. 3 simple steps, which you can do. And then if you want to learn more, we bring them to a page where it tells all the benefits of what they can expect from the product. This is staging. Let me go back. That'll pop up every time. And then I wrote a book. You can get it on Amazon for $1, or you can go to our website, download it for free. I thought that would be an interesting element to add to our website or to our business, to talk about what is AI and how it can help improve someone's life. And of course, we have our policies, resources. We're still developing this as we go. Someone added, to add LinkedIn here. However, that's not something. We have to add elements. However, we don't want to get too much. So this is our traditional way that we approach landing pages. However, we would have a video here, but what we ended up doing is placing the video at the very end. And then this goes over on who our customer is and how it can really relate to you. Comprehensive guide. Of course, that needs to get changed because it's just another way to get to the book. Then that's pretty much it. We have simple questions. Why PocketMate? What have you struggled with? Just presenting why do you need this app? And then we go into a bunch of features. We implemented, of course, same as the main website. We incorporated links to get to the app with these same questions here. Then we go to our professional.
Welcome to PocketMate.
You can listen to that on your own time. We did have learn more buttons, and we did improve this. Our landing page is still improving. We wanted to go with a more serious at-home therapist look. And I believe the designers did a great job. Welcome to the future of therapy. Same bunch of elements. We kept it simple to 3 core features that we like to hone in, and then we present the same question: why PocketMate? Why have you struggled with? And then we give the benefits on how it can help improve your. These are all custom designs, so that's really cool. The designers made that, and then we'll go back to the main site. So the thing about pricing.
Welcome to PocketMate AI, your source for real-time comfort. We're glad you're here.
That does get
Our
a little
AI
annoying
is
sometimes,
designed.
just to be honest, but value. We did call it price. However, we didn't want to say that we had a price. We wanted to say that we have value to offer you. Of course, there's a bunch of features that if you wanted to explore, your product might differ from ours. And the cool thing about it is everything is controlled, like both apps in this website is controlled from our admin panel. About us. Since we're a founder-led company in the beginning, I do want to get away from using my face on the website. However, I wanted to establish trust early on about who I am and what the product is and how are we helping. Just kept it to 3 videos, and how can you get involved? What do we stand for? Simple things like that. We have a contact us. This is really cool. This is set up with our CRM, so that way it's just not going through an email form. You know how you get just a whole bunch of emails that are just like endless. However, we have that ticketed so we can better categorize what's going on and identify priority. So we have a bunch of policies here. A privacy policy, that's by law, to have that for health tech, refund policies, different policies. And that's, I would say, and then we have FAQs. I think this is really great. Let me see if it's even appropriate to show you the back end, what's going on here. Sorry, I got to put my fingerprint on. Wait, maybe I don't have to. Yeah, I do. Give me a second. I got to go around here. This is kind of annoying. Okay. Thank you for bearing with me for that one. Get reset up here. So I'm going to show you the back end. This is really cool. This was something I wasn't really expecting. And this is our staging. So this is what's going on behind the scenes with us. So we can control the payments of the subscriptions. We can help the professionals adjust their payments. We can figure out, who our users are, who's coming into the app. If there's any issues, we can update our policies and FAQs from here. Our content is all universal throughout the app. We're able to, I'm about to close this video pretty soon, but our moods, we can update our icons as we see fit, to do like a seasonal holiday thing. I thought that'd be cool. And I don't want to get too technical with our back end, but it's good to have a team. So I showed you our website. Hopefully that helps on how we approached our website, and that can give you a better idea on how to approach your website as well.
Welcome to PocketMate AI, your source for real-time
Okay. And then I'll talk to the team to see what we can do about that. The autoplay is good. I just want to see on how it. Yeah, I think we can make an improvement with that one. I think we can make that improvement before this video goes out. So thank you, and I hope that helps on setting up your website. That's how we did it. Questions, and then on how we're solving the problem, and then we give the benefits of why you should join and how we can help. So I hope that helps. So I'm gonna end the video here because I go in a meeting in another 10 minutes to set up our CRM to have everything automated. CRMs are great. If you want to have if you want a video of how I set up my CRM, so that way it's really simple. Not really, but it's just like anything. With more practicing, you learn. So our CRM is set up so that way when you download our app and your information is sent to our CRM, so that way we can further have, so it's smooth. So you're just not knowing what to do. We can send automated email templates appropriately. So that way you can further categorize your own thing. We try to be hands off as much as possible. So that is our approach with with CRM. And if you want to know more about that, it gets a little bit technical. I think I have. I don't know. Can I? No, my mouse is kind of acting up right now. I don't know, that's for another day. But if you're interested, please reach out. Thank you. I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.